What up, what up, what up, DNJ gang? I am Jada. And yeah, we're about to prank my husband. Yes, we are. We are about to do the air horn prank. Yes, I went out and got an air horn, and we're just gonna catch his reaction of how he reacts to it, period. Of how he reacts to it. Now, originally, he thought of this idea first. But what he don't know is that I got it. And I beat him to it. So let's get into this prank. Peace. Alright, y'all. The time has come to get him with this prank. I got my air horn right here. And yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hide. I'm gonna hide the air horn. Just so he won't know that I have it. And it's time to go get his ass with this prank. Let's go. What you doing, babe? Oh, really? You just on YouTube?
Ah, motherfucker. Shit. Just scared me, babe. I knew it was coming this time. Oh, what the?
You said what? You knew it was coming when?
I did not know when it was coming, babe.
you,
Oh, shit.
you know?
I did not know.
The
I
video.
think it was up to something, babe.
How do you know I was up to something?
Actually, I didn't know.
You didn't know.
I actually didn't know. I thought you was just using the bathroom.
No. So you didn't know I was up to something?
No.
So how do you like the air horn prank, babe?
It's annoying.
It's annoying.
It's annoying.
But you were gonna do it to me.
I was gonna do it to you. That was my idea.
You were gonna do it to me.
Yeah, that was my idea to you, babe.
But you know what? I stole your idea.
Yeah, and it backfired on me.
Exactly. You shouldn't have told me about it. You shouldn't have told me about it. But say hello to the D&J gang.
Hello, D&J gang. How y'all doing?
The video was a little dark. The video was a little dark at first, but y'all see I got him.
Yeah, you did get a good jump scare. Not once, but twice.
Not once, but twice.
That's right. I do admit that you did get me good, like, twice.
Yeah, I did. Funny fact is, he gave me this idea, like I told y'all on the intro.
True,
Oh, yeah.
but it's been something that I was talking about and everything.
But you weren't taking too long to do it.
Well, I didn't have the air horn at the time either.
And I wasn't about to tell you that I bought it.
Yeah, you was like, you better not even open up that package.
Sure did. Well, with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.